Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be letting you guys know how to enter for a chance to win this pretty sick gaming laptop. With an RTX 2060, a 6-core 12-thread i7-9750H, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, as well as a 144Hz 1080p IPS display, this thing is pretty freaking stacked, so you definitely don't want to miss out on this. So let's close this thing up, so I've got room to talk. And let's get right into this. So first things first, just to preface, if you don't know who I am, or you haven't been here before, if you have, welcome back, thanks for stopping by, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't, you should know that I do tech-related content, usually about PCs and stuff, but I also give away at least one gaming computer every single month, or at least I try. Full honesty, the reason I do it is to gain subscribers, drive the growth of my channel, and of course, to make money. Now, if growing my channel and making money means that one of you guys will get a free gaming computer, hey, that works out for everyone, so I'm very happy with that. Now, if you're wondering how I pay for these giveaways, because people always ask how a smaller channel pays for a giveaway every month, and that's completely fair. So, full disclosure, here's my Twitch revenue from last month. Last month wasn't the greatest month for our Twitch, but we made just enough to be able to buy and give away this laptop. I got a great deal on it, so I'm happy to give it away to one of you this month. My YouTube revenue also contributes to that, but YouTube has advised me not to show my YouTube revenue anymore on my channel, so sorry, can't show the dashboard specifically, but roughly speaking, it's about $100 to $200 depending on how the giveaway video does in the month. So, let's get into how to enter this giveaway so that you guys can, well, get yourself a chance, or multiple chances that is, to win this pretty sick laptop. So here's the deal. If you don't know how it works, the way I run my giveaways is I use what's called an entry-based system, meaning that while the giveaway is completely random, pay attention, the winner is drawn randomly using a program, as every giveaway should function. You can only help your chances of winning by having more entries into the giveaway. You can never guarantee you're going to win, and I will never choose a winner. It will always be drawn randomly. But you can have a higher chance by having more entries. The reason I do my system like this is because it's the only system I can use as a smaller channel to make enough revenue to be able to afford to give away a computer like this every single month. To get one entry, baseline, one entry into the giveaway, one chance to win, you must subscribe and comment on this video. But if you comment anything resembling any kind of sob story, complaint, asking me to win, begging me to win, in any way bitching or moaning of any sort, complaining about your current setup, even so much as saying, "Can I win?" you will not be entered. If you have the words entry or done in your comment at all, I'm not kidding, listen very carefully, because some people can't figure this out. If the words entry or done are literally in your comment in any shape or form or even close, you won't get entered. I literally filter by entry done, and those people are disqualified. Why? Here's the thing. I need to make enough revenue to give away this PC, which means I need everyone who wants to enter this giveaway to, at bare minimum, watch this entire video. Because I need to make enough ad revenue on this video to help subsidize the cost of this PC. So if you can't be bothered to watch the video to know that you shouldn't be typing entry done or any kind of sob story of any kind, then I simply don't want you to enter because you are not helping me pay for this giveaway, so you deserve no chance of winning. Also, side note, I don't care about your sob stories. I get them all the time. I only care about running a fair giveaway and making enough revenue to pay for it and to pay for the stuff it takes to run this channel. I will not pity you. I will not give you any kind of unfair advantage. You will not circumvent a fair giveaway process by crying in my comment section. So do not try it, or anywhere for that matter. Now I'm going to tell you the truth. One entry is basically nothing. Here's the deal. Most people that are entering this giveaway from my past giveaways or from being around my channel, most of them have roughly 300 plus entries. You know why? Because it's not that hard. Here's the deal. In the description, you will find a couple of very useful links. One of them is my Discord, another one is my Twitch, and then a bunch of other random links, as well as any information that I forgot to mention in this video, so please check the description for any of that. Now, in my Discord server, this is very important, you will find a chat. It is a text chat labeled specifically entry chat. That is the name of the chat. That is probably going to be your best friend if you care to win this PC or any of the future PCs that I'm giving away on this channel. Because here's the deal. If you like any single video on my channel, you literally click the like button on a video, you can get an entry for that. I have like 300 plus videos, do the math. Every single video you like is one entry. Well, how do you get those entries? Because I'm going to be completely honest. I don't care how many people have told you they can. They're lying. I cannot track if you have liked a video. YouTube doesn't allow that kind of tracking. So the only way for me to know, and for the people who help me run these giveaways, the people who run my Discord entry system, is for you to post a screenshot of that liked video in entry chat on Discord, where it will be counted for an entry. Many people ask, can I submit a video of my liked videos playlist showing that I've liked all the videos? Yes. Can I take screenshots of just the playlist that YouTube creates that's called liked videos, that literally lists all your liked videos so that you can show how many videos of mine you've liked for the entries? Yes, you can. As long as it can be seen by a human being that you have liked any given video, you will be given an entry for that. So I don't expect any questions about that in the comments. It's very well. As long as it can be seen in the chat, entry chat, that you've liked the videos, it will be counted for entries. The reason I do a liked video entry system is because I need likes on my videos. I need my videos to do alright. It helps discovery and stuff like that. It's super great. I love it. I do tech-related content. I do tech-related giveaways. It all coincides, so if I can get more likes on every other video from doing a giveaway, that's perfect. Second thing, this is the most important thing for entries. This is the most important thing for the revenue of the giveaway. I should probably say it first, but honestly I'm saying it now. Twitch.tv/DinkyTheSync, link in the description below. That Twitch is the most important factor to my monthly giveaways and being able to support this channel financially. I showed you the revenue from Twitch. That's where it all comes from. It's from Twitch. It's where most of it's from. So here's the deal. I have a schedule. You'll also find a link in the description, but it's twitch.tv/DinkyTheSync/schedule. You'll find a link to that in the description. It tells you exactly what days and times in your own time zone that I will be live on Twitch. I'm still tweaking it and working on the hours a little bit, but generally speaking, you will find that schedule there. And you should follow it, as I will be trying to follow it to a T. That'll tell you when I'm going to be live on Twitch, which is important to you, because here's the deal. Every 10 minutes that you are watching my live stream, you specifically, that you are watching my live stream, you will get 2 or more entries. Sometimes I change the rates. I announce what the rates will be in Discord, but it's usually standard 10 minutes, 2 entries. Those are counted automatically on Twitch using a bot. It's great. I love it. The Twitch system is awesome. It is counted automatically. Every 10 minutes that you signed into an account and following on Twitch, every 10 minutes that you are watching my live stream, you can't watch a rerun or anything. You can't watch an old stream. It's got to be live. It's only counted while live. I can't even change that if I wanted to. It's a setting that is unchangeable. You must be watching live, and if you do, you'll get 2 entries every 10 minutes or more, depending on what I decide to do on Discord to try to raise viewers. The reason I do that is because I need viewers on my Twitch. I need to make ad revenue. I need people to Twitch Prime sub. Side note, if you Twitch Prime sub, you get 100 entries for the monthly giveaway. Why? Because you're literally directly helping me pay for it. Twitch Prime sub, bits, donations, all that kind of stuff is what supports the giveaway on Twitch. So all that stuff will get some amount of entries as just a quick thank you for, hey, helping support and pay for these giveaways monthly. But again, watching on Twitch, you will get literal entries, and you can literally track them on Twitch. Yes, here's the deal. If you type !entries, ENTRIES, !entries, one word, in my Twitch chat while signed into your Twitch account, it'll tell you how many entries you have on Twitch. Only on Twitch. It won't show your Discord or YouTube entries because those are not counted automatically. Those are counted manually. Twitch entries are automatic. That's why we have a system that tells you exactly how many you have, because it's updated instantly. So !entries will tell you how many entries you have on Twitch. You get an entry for following, and then you get entries every 10 minutes you're watching my live streams. The reason I need the streams is, again, they help pay for the giveaway, and I really do need the support on Twitch. So anytime you can watch the stream, even if it's just leaving your phone on with your account logged in, it really helps. Now, quick warning, if you change your username, your actual account username on Discord or Twitch, your entries will be still linked to your old account name. They don't go by account they go by name. It's the only way to count them. We can't link them to your account. There's no way. So if you change your Twitch name or you change your Discord name, here's the deal. Take a screenshot to prove that you have changed your name to your new name from your old one. This way, in case your old account, which will retain its entries, wins, you can prove that it is you and claim the prize. The winner has 5 days to claim the prize, for anyone wondering, and yes, the giveaway is international, in case you can't read the title. This is a 3070 Ti, for anyone wondering. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but if Twitch does well enough this month, I might actually give it away. Who knows? So, I think that's everything that I need to talk about. If I've forgotten anything, it will be in the description. I will add it while I'm uploading the video. As for when the giveaway ends, here's the deal. If anyone asks in the comments below, I'm going to assume you didn't watch this video and therefore should not be entered. It ends on the 30th of July. They are monthly giveaways. They last throughout the month. The winner will be drawn live and announced live on twitch.tv/stinkythesink in a live stream where all that happens. So, yeah. That's the point. Real quick about this laptop. Yes, it is a 2060 9758 16 GB RAM 144Hz laptop. It's pretty sick. I got a great deal on it. You may have noticed the tab key is missing. Yes, it's got some slight blemishes that I'm actually fixing. I ordered an entirely new tab key to replace. I will be cleaning this laptop and doing a whole video about this laptop and cleaning it up and making sure it's literally better than brand new. I'll be upgrading the RAM because it's only single channel 16 gigs to dual channel. I'll be overclocking, undervolting, all that kind of stuff to make this the perfect killer gaming laptop. Now I'm going to address this real quick. Again, you should still be watching if you actually care about entering. If you're an international winner, you may be curious. Laptops have some very specific laws about being shipped with batteries. If your country, or mine, or anyone's for that matter, has a limitation on me being able to air ship this. Now, within the United States, I have to ground ship, but that's fine, I can do that. Air ship this laptop because of the battery. I will ask the winner if either A, they want me to take out the battery and then send money to replace it, or if they would like the cash value of the laptop at roughly $700 to $800, which is about how much I could sell it for, so that's why that's the cash value. If I cannot ship it for any reason, either legally or prohibitively expensive, I will just send the cash value in the form of some kind of electronic payment, even if you want an Amazon gift card. 1 month, the winner chose $500 in Steam gift cards. Don't know why, but hey, I'm not judging. I'm just here to run a fair giveaway. So, that's the point. Hope you guys will stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck on this giveaway. I think that's it. I hope to see you guys on my Twitch, guys. I really need the support. I would be building a bunch of PCs. I hope to see you guys supporting on the videos. Really helps. Any comments, any Discord activity, whatever. I'm always active on Discord. That's the point. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you next one. Good luck. Peace.